How to use Printful with Amazon, Amazon plus Printful dropshipping. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you are going to be using Printful, an amazing print-on-demand product device, okay, and how we're going to use Amazon with it to do amazing dropshipping. So in order to actually do this, there's two ways, okay? We can do this, and if you want to understand a little bit more, you have a free version and the paid version, and both of them have their own advantages. The bad and the good things are there, but at the end of the day, they will be dependent on the actual way that you want to sell on Amazon. So the perfect thing you want to do is, account into Amazon and actually see the vendor, you could say, benefits and how what the benefits are for both the trials. Today we're going to be using the free ones. So yeah, to become a seller, you have to access to the course of import, obviously, and there's different kinds of listings on Amazon where you can make your own prices and stuff. But it's going to be really important for you to understand how this action actually works. So what I want to do is go into Amazon.com. Okay, you're going to come to Amazon.com over here, and over here on a separate tab, I'm also going to go to Amazon vendor. Okay, we're going to go to this. So you're going to make sure to create an account on both of these. Okay, so here's the Amazon Vendor Central, and this is the basic Amazon page. Now, the Vendor Central is obviously for the people who actually want to become sellers, who actually want to become vendors, who sell, different products. And obviously, in this video's case, we're going to be doing drop shipping with Printful. So it's kind of a need to become a vendor. So obviously, the main focus is to choose the country you're going to be delivering in. So delivering to or deliver in. For that, you're going to choose your country, make a vendor account. And it's a pretty fast growing and preferred acquisition channel for over half of their multi-channel users. So just go ahead and sign in with this. Okay, I think it's a $40 a month plus selling fees. So you are going to need to go ahead with that. But if you want to go for a more free, a more easier way, then you can obviously skip the whole Seller Central or Vendor Central thing. And we could just directly come over to Printful. Okay, and over here, you can see in your catalog on the left-hand side, you have a lot of things to see from, okay? So before going into the product catalog, what you're going to want to do is you're going to set up your whole page. So you can see it gives you steps to set up. So design your first product, connect your store, add products to store, etc., etc. So what we're going to be doing first is we're going to be adding our store, okay? Because obviously, if you don't add our store, then it's not really going to work well, is it? So just make sure to go ahead and verify your email. And once you have verified your email, from there on out, what's going to happen is down here, it's going to say create a new store, choose your method. So there's two ways where you can choose platform or manual order your platform through their API. But obviously Amazon is offered over here. So as you can see, just connect your Printful to your Amazon. So we're going to click on connect. And what that will do is it will bring us here. So connect your Amazon store to Printful. Okay. And here it gives us the steps to actually do this, which is pretty easy, to be honest. So just I'm just going to walk you through. I'm going to skim you through these steps. And basically the first step would be to log into your Amazon sellers account. Okay, so there's two types of sellers account as well. Okay, so just so you don't get confused. Okay, so if you were to write Amazon seller, there's two things that will come up. First of all, there's going to be Amazon Seller Central. Okay, and this is the affiliation. Okay, this is Amazon affiliate, which is going to be right, Seller Central. Now, that is not what we want to go with. We're going to go with this, sell.amazon.com, not this Amazon Seller Central, because this is basically for the affiliates. It's a central portal for the affiliates, and that's what they call themselves, the Seller Central. So what we're going to do is we're going to come here, sell.amazon.com, where it says build your e-commerce business. And over here, you can see start selling with Amazon. You can see all the benefits of it down here as well, and all the different ways to grow on it, buy fulfillment on Amazon, international e-commerce, and a whole lot more. It's, as I said, $40 per month, and it has its selling fees as well. So obviously, once you've done that and signed up with this, you're going to come back here. Here it says important things to note. To connect Amazon to Printful, you will need an Amazon Professional plan, as it says, which costs $40 a month. So obviously, make sure to buy that. If you sell under your own brand Amazon requires you to submit real life product photos to get your GTIN, which is your global trade item number. So if you have a proper brand, you obviously will need to access a GTIN number for that, and you can get that on Google if you want to. You can just like appeal for it and they're going to give it to you. So once you've gotten your GTIN, then comes this. Choose the Amazon regions you actually want to sell on. Okay, this is also a pretty important place. So their integration supports only these marketplaces. Anywhere out of this, they are not going to be selling over here. So the United States, Canada, Mexico, United Kingdom, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, Netherlands, and Brazil. So these are the only regions you could say, or the only countries that they're going to sell in. So if you're planning on selling any place else, then obviously Amazon's not the store that you want to connect to. You can use Shopify for that. But yeah, more on Amazon is that once you come here, it says once your account is set up, select the regions. As I said over here, you're just going to select your regions. Once you've selected the regions from there on out, it says you're going to connect your Printful account to Amazon and choose the regions you want to sell on. So that obviously there's two regions, either the North American region, which, basically contains the US, the Canadian, Mexican, Brazilian, etc. And then there's the European regions, which have the United Kingdom, Germany, Spain, France, Italy, Netherlands, etc. Now, personally, if you were to ask me, I would recommend the North American regions if you want more sales. But if you want you could say, higher revenue, then I would say the European regions, because obviously the European regions have currencies like euros, Great British Pound, and the value of these currencies is pretty high. But obviously, for more sales and more leads, the North America would be more useful, because I guess the monthly or yearly sales that go out from North America are much higher than European. So obviously, yeah, go with North America in my opinion. That would just be much better. European people usually just use eBay a lot more. So yeah, I would prefer North America. Once you've selected and connected that, it says set up your brand name and GTIN exemptions, which you're going to do accordingly with your GTIN. And then once you do that, you're going to use Printful to add and sync your products. And let me show you real quick on how you're going to do that as well. So for this, you're going to go over to your product catalog. You're going to choose the product that you actually want to add. You could go with new order, or you could use these random templates that they've given you with the prices down here. So obviously winter's around and a lot of people will be starting to buy sweatshirts or hoodies. So you're going to go with this. You can create product templates for yourself. So as you know, I'm going to create a product template. Once you do this, you're going to publish this product and finally design it, and you're going to sync it and send it straight to your Amazon store. Okay, and you can also save this product to your templates to work with it later on if you want to. That totally depends on your style and your taste in creation. But yeah, once you have gotten the whole concept of that, yeah, you're pretty much good to go. So that is how you're going to be doing drop shipping using Printful and Amazon in the easiest way. So use the sell.amazon.com URL, not the Seller Central, connected with your Printful. And once you do that, use Printful to send supplies and products straight to your Amazon. And that is how you're going to do Amazon dropshipping. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching it till the end. If you enjoyed it, drop down a like, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.